Hi and welcome back to another video, another exciting video in this channel. My name is Martha Makwata and today I'm having a visitor. We are hosting someone in our channel. This is one of its kind. We've never hosted someone. So today we are hosting Linet, and Linet is bringing a video of a cake to us. She says she's preparing a marble cake. Linet is a food and production student. Kindly wave to my people. Yeah, she's a food and beverage production student. So this one is by a professional. Kindly like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let's get right into the ingredients that will go into our marble cake. Okay, in front of us are the ingredients that Linet will be using. Of course, she will require a basin to mix, or a bowl. You can use a bowl or a basin. So in her case, she's using a basin. What quantity of flour, Linet?
3 cups.
Okay, 3 cups of flour. We've seen that cup. This one is a common cup in this channel. It's not new. So 3 cups of that. What else are you using? I can see eggs here.
2.
She's using 2 eggs. We can see drinking chocolate. This one is replacing what? Cocoa. Yeah. Instead of cocoa, we are using this. And what amount of baking?
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon baking. Kindly, Helen, don't make noise. Then we have vanilla. What quantity?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon vanilla. Sugar, what quantity?
Sugar, half cup.
A half a cup of sugar. So that is what is going into our, together with margarine. Sorry, I had forgotten margarine. What quantity of margarine?
A half cup.
A half a cup. I can see you have this one.
100 grams.
You want to use 100 grams. So that is what is going into our marble cake, as you can see. Are you preheating the oven, or we wait until you're through with your mixing? You will preheat, or we wait?
Wait.
We wait
Yeah,
until you're through with your mixing.
We are using creaming method.
We are using
Creaming method.
creaming method. Yeah, thank you. So we'll get into the mixing. So our flour, so far we've measured 2 cups of flour into this bowl. She's adding another flour. That's the 3rd cup. What next?
Next, tunachukua margarine, sugar.
Oh, so we are mixing margarine and sugar. Okay. So she's using this container, this smaller container, to measure her margarine. She wants to have exactly 100 grams of margarine. So that's what we are up to. So that's it. So that's 100 grams of margarine in there. Our sugar is getting into the bowl, and she said she will be using the creaming method. Sorry. So that passes us a half a cup. It is that small glass that we usually have. So she's mixing using a normal wooden stick. So it doesn't mean that if you don't have a mixer you can't make cake. That is the communication here. So let's get back after this mixture has come together well. That's better. So finally our mixture of margarine and sugar is ready, and our egg and vanilla is here. So what is the next step? Oh, so you beat the egg first. So she's mixing the egg into this mixture of sugar and vanilla, the sugar and margarine. So that egg is done. And sorry for the background noises. Today is a Friday, and you know the way it is normally in here, so forgive the noises kindly. So she's mixing in bit by bit. Let's come back when she's ready for the next step. So right now, that's the way our mixture looks so far. So she's adding in flour bit by bit. So we are mixing in our flour bit by bit. So we are adding in water bit by bit. So it is optional, you can add in milk, but in our case we are adding water, so that is optional. You can either use milk or water. So let's come back at that point when our mixture will be ready to go to the next step. So that's the way our mixture looks so far. It is quite bright, yeah. So that's the way it looks. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So let's see. Let's await the next step. So we've put in about a glass and a half of water. A glass and a quarter of water to make it the way it looks. So she is separating some dough, I guess, to add in the cocoa. This is that step where we add in our drinking chocolate. So instead of cocoa, we have drinking chocolate, which we are substituting. What quantity? 2 tablespoons of drinking chocolate. So we are doing that. I just love the patience. For me, my patience you would have run out. I like them quick. That's why I normally use a mixer. But Linet is quite patient. So she has added in a little bit of water to aid in mixing well. So let's just say we put in 1.5 glass of water. The smell is so awesome. Very nice smell. I hope the cake also comes out beautiful the way it smells. So our pan is also ready, and now we are pouring our cake batter or cake mixture into it. So we are pouring it bit by bit. As you can see, it will be a beautiful cake. That's a beauty right there. So beautiful. There's some sort of flour, if you can check nicely. So let's see this cake after it comes out of the oven. We hope it comes out nicely. You're baking it for how long?
At 5 to 40 minutes.
At what temperature?
180 degrees
Yeah.
Celsius.
Thank you. So guys, our cake is ready. And it is here. It has come out nicely, I think so. What do you think? What do you think, our chef? How is your work?
Very nice.
Very nice. You're proud of it. Move near your work. So what do you want to tell us? You can urge my people to join the channel. So the cake has come out nicely, as you can see. Today is Friday, meaning this will be our breakfast tomorrow for our Sabbath. Normally we endeavor to have something special for Sabbath, and this one is something special for us. So we'll be having it with tea tomorrow before we head out to church. So if you love such content, today I've hosted Linet. If you want her back with another recipe, kindly comment and tell me. So I hope you try out this recipe. It is a simple recipe. Try it out and enjoy with your family. So we are still here with Linet. We want to urge you to subscribe. Linet is a happy soul, as you can see. She's very happy. So remember to subscribe, to like, comment. Do you want her back? I hope you will comment and tell her you want her back. We have a couple of recipes we can do together. Kindly comment. So until the next video, bye for now. Bye.